So today's our Year 8 Incursion about all things space. It's part of our Earth Changes unit of work, but we're having a fabulous day with lots and lots of interactions and lots of different activities. We've been really blessed to have Professor Fred Watson, Australia's astronomer at large, who's given them a great presentation on space and the square kilometre array, and then Marnie Ogg, who's talked about the night sky project and how important it is for us to have dark skies. We've got Physics Ed here doing workshops on stars and planets. We're having a liquid nitrogen show on hydrogen to talk about the gases of space. And then we've also got a planetarium in Leslie Hall, which is a fantastic immersive experience with Gary Starr, looking at Mars and what a human's going to do on Mars, and then looking at some Indigenous astronomy. So it's a hugely engaging, really active day for the Year 8 students today and Friday, so that all of the Year 8 students will have had this fantastic experience.
We can clearly tell now that this didn't melt or the insides didn't come out of those balloons because they're still together. So the gas inside just got a lot smaller and it shrunk down. And that's actually one really important part of thinking about how we might get to space.